adjustment. Adjustment to trial balance. Adjustment to trial balance. Correct? Everyone, just try to understand. So can I say just whenever trial balance is prepared, suppose trial balance बना लिए, correct? This is debit credit and this will match, debit total will match with credit total. But what happened? There are some transactions which are identified after preparing trial balance. For example, one of the adjustment already we have done, that is closing stock. Can I say the value of closing stock is identified after preparing trial balance? Therefore, it might happen the closing stock is not yet adjusted with purchase. Closing stock is not yet adjusted with purchase. Are you able to understand what I am saying? मेरी बात समझ पा रहे हो? Everyone, one second. Correct. There are some transaction. There are some transaction. Yeah, there are some event. There are some transaction event which are identified after trial balance, after preparing trial balance. Means it is not yet adjusted. It is not yet adjusted in the books of account. Therefore, we do pass some adjustment entry after preparing trial balance. For example, for closing stock, we do closing stock to purchase, closing stock to purchase. So can I say every adjustment which is given in trial balance is not yet recorded in the books of account. So it need to be recorded after preparing trial balance. My question to you all, this recording means whatever adjustment is given in trial balance we record, but we record where? हम रिकॉर्ड कहाँ करेंगे? Where will do the recording? रिकॉर्डिंग कहाँ करेंगे बताओ? Will do in which book? So all the adjustment entry will be done in which book? Everyone respond. Are you able to understand what I'm saying? Correct. So after trial balance, some adjustment might be given. That adjustment need to be recorded to prepare financial statement. Correct. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this adjustment entry will be recorded where? In which book? Very good. So can I say it will be also recorded in journal proper? It will be also recorded in journal proper, but after preparing trial balance. After preparing trial balance. Are you able to understand? So once the trial balance is prepared, there are some adjustment given in trial balance, which are the transaction event which is not yet recorded, which is not yet recorded. That need to be recorded after trial balance in journal by recording adjustment entry, by recording adjustment entry. One of the adjustment entry already we have done for closing stock. हमने closing stock और opening stock का adjustment entry पहले ही कर चुके हैं. We have done it. We have done it. Correct now. We have already done it. Correct. So just write down. Adjustment given are transactions or events which are not yet recorded in books of accounts. Correct. Such transaction event such transaction events should be recorded in journal by recording adjustment entry. Adjustment entry after trial balance for preparation of financial statement. For preparation of financial statement. Correct? Understood? Correct? For preparation of financial statement. Have you understood this point? So can I say when we record any journal entry after trial balance, it have two effect. It have two effect. So while preparing trading PL and balance sheet, it will go either to trading, means it need to be given effect in two place, either trading PL or trading balance sheet or PL balance sheet, means दो जगह जाना चाहिए. Are you able to understand?